Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Spouse.
It's Tibo. Hey. Izinto engiyenzile namhlanje I'm happy ngayo. Uzwile ukuthi kwenda bayakhuluma njani la? Yeah. I'm happy ngento engiyenzile namhlanje. What I did today ngize la stadium ngicule waya ngayibheka game.
Awubheka
I didn't see even into engibonile with that era yaka Dove kuphela. I didn't see even angayibona. Yabona ama era bakhuluma ngayo waka Sirino bathumisa ama clear chances angayibheki. Then I think into engiyenzile kwegood bro. Umzwile kwenda ukuthi unjani? Akasimnani bro umzwile. Yeah. It's the first time ngibona kwenda khulumela phasi so
because bekabheka game.
Bro, ngathi angazi bekashela. Yazi angazi why bro. So the best thing that I did today ukucula bro ukuhlala ngemva kwemapala nehlubula cula waya
namachi.
Yeah, namachi bro. So starting from now I will do that igame nyenye bro. Angisafuna ukuyibheka igame. Ngizoza ngama result ukuthi igame iphelile i1-1 or 2-0. Into abantu abayibone ngayi namuhla ngizwile bayikhuluma la ubani bro. I'm no longer doing that bro. Game angisayibheki ngizoculela waya
and that's it.
That is bro. Into awuzokuthi into engibonile kuphela i-era le yakadove. Yeah. That's why ngibuza ucoach ukuthi kangenzakaleni ngomigwele ngothi ngimangela kuyekho. Udove uyangena makangena yebani ibhola mfana ihead uyayiflika. That's the era engibonileyo. After that igame angayibheki until so ngihappy bro ukuthi namuhla ngizile angabheka igame ngicule waya
waba namachi.
Yeah, naba namachi. So ngizwenza that thing every day. Every time mangifika ngihlala ngemva kwamapala ngicula waya ukuthi fanele ngibhekele ngizobheka le. Yeah, serious bro wami ngothi itsho abantu besuhlungu kanjani ngayi
stressa
bro yazi ampuri ngililo kwena makakhuluma yini. I almost cried bro wami. Umzwile athi I'm using my own money. Merchandise how much is it? Ngizisa bro wami and sidlala amagame engayi apa uzibuza ukuthi amagame athenda engaki outfit une home une away uyakhala
the whole season.
So the best thing ukuthi ayenza ka stadium bro wami acule asukela ukubheka igame makuthi uthanda istadium aka stadium acule angasabheka igame uzolimala bro wami.
Enjoy.
Yeah, uzolimala bro wami. Yeah, ungasebheka game we stadium uzabheka makuthi idlala i-team enye maybe idlala Sundowns ne Pirate. Yeah, ibheka igame la. Makuthi idlala Chiefs ne team enye bro bheka le ucule. Watch that side then sing waya. Yeah, and then is at my half time we 6-9 usat mabuye wacula until
and then you'll be happy.
You'll be happy bro. You will never regret bro. Yabona muhla ngihappy.
Ngoba ubheka ngithi
bro ngizoyibheka mangisendlini ngibheka itani sifara usirumisile la wona ngothi angaziboni into lezi.
Stress.
It's stress bro mina ngafika la wayibheka. Ithi zabulwa nama-fans ukuthi no coach ukuthi wasanse dama bro uyabona into ezinjalo uyazavoid abongeza la wacula waphuma into eziningi.
And you are happy.
Yes bro wami.
Ama-release solutions.
Yes bro wami. I hope ama-fans amaningi ama-Chiefs akazi stadium la abhekele bazuza abantu nabathi bathi bathenga ukuthi celebrate abo bantu. Now celebrate okugcoke njengawo celebrate nabo. Nakuthi ayisinga qhubeka ucule bro.
And then ubone the best moments.
Uyangizwisa bro. That's the only thing you can do. Mafuna enjoy stadium.
But not.
Bro
Chiefs from 0 to 9.
Uzozibulala. Still you gonna kill yourself. Zabuthi ucoach nga yabona nthani ngimi. Hey man that is ukubulala bro wami. So yeah, so yekela into ezinjalo iza stadium usiculele game ephela uphume uzomnandi.
Ngiyathola.
Yeah, uzomnandi bro wami. Yeah. So name of the match ngingakutshela ukuthi angayibheki game. I don't want to lie. I didn't watch the game Steve. I don't want to lie.
Just give it to me.
Yeah, but I'm happy.
From not watching Kaizer Chiefs.
I'm happy bro. Ngothi i-Chiefs angithi ngiyayithanda. So ngizukuzwa i-supporta ingikule. Yeah. So mangenza njalo, bro muzoenjoy. London usosale bela game bro. Unophela bro waka. Umuntu le kwanda
enjoy Chiefs jwa.
Ebra London umuntu le bra kwanda.
Kuna le buhloko monna.
It's the first time ngimutla bolela so. Bro ka kinyakilolla.
Khosi liphelile umoya.
Kinyakilolla bro. Isingena. Jo bra kwanda his head. Steve Uzolunga bra wami. Hopefully we will see maybe we'll see miracles on Sunday. Maybe we'll see miracles.
Thank you, boss.
But I don't see. Angiboni sithi Sundowns bra wami.
Uyasho,
I
boss.
don't see.
It's gonna be
I
tough.
don't see. Ngabo bani? Ranga. Ngabo bani bra wami? Ngabo bani? Asina material. Asina material. Asaccept ukuthi no i-Chiefs iyahluleka ngithi badamane uyapheka abamnyekele sibone sizina ukuthi iyaphela bamna ukuthi uthenga amaplayer ngothi ngibone something else bathi dimani uthe ngifuna apolice bamnikeza lo athi ngifuna bana la ukuthi is true that means i-Chiefs yamfaila na ukuthi is true ngothi uthe ngifuna abamnikeza bo bamnikeza abo bana abatanga bafuna so if it's like that means Chiefs is failing him.
Spaus ku boy kwala Fred Mani.
Isso bra wa.
Njamama ubuya man spaus betu salatheka.